Prakash bhai, you've been long time in Dubai doing in construction business.
Yeah.
So how many projects have you already finished and delivered?
See, I will brief you in a way. Our license is unlimited license.
Okay.
Before we was in ground plus 12.
Yeah.
So now we are in unlimited.
Okay.
Unlimited mean high-rise building, all we can do.
Absolutely.
Okay. So what projects we completed in past is almost, I cannot count it first of all.
Still, I mean, it's hundreds.
It's the value-wise, I say the highest project, it was a 200 million,
Okay.
which we did it.
Okay.
On time, everything is done in proper way. Then ground plus 12, ground plus 17 buildings, and what now running projects are going on, it's almost 10 projects are going on. There is a luxurious villas and the buildings.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is
Okay.
all what we are doing now.
So what do you think in terms of last 3-4 years comparing now? Do you think the work is now increasing? Is it coming back?
Yeah, obviously.
Your business is
Obviously, last 2 years it was really worst. But now again, as the prices are coming up for the real estate and selling, the buyers are there, buildings are, again construction will start.
correct.
So if construction start mean, you know,
The work is there.
the work is there.
Yes.
So
Very nice.
we are focusing on that.
Okay, perfect. In terms of quality, do you see a shift in people's demand? Earlier, people were asking for price sensitive, okay, commercial. Do you see that developers are now more quality sensitive?
Yeah, obviously. They are more than before, yes.
Yes.
Even the developers are involved in each and every finishing items.
Correct.
They want to select by themselves
Themselves.
only. Apart of the consultant, contractor, what they are proposing. They are bringing their things and they are involved each and every finishing item, which they are not compromising.
Correct. See, because I see this from the customer's perspective.
Yes, right.
So the clients now are actually paying price for the quality, and that's why the developers have understood that just by spending a little bit more, the sellability of the product and the demand of the product has increased quite a bit. So in general, the customer and then hence the developer has become more quality sensitive in Dubai.
I agree.
Earlier we didn't see what was there, so everybody wanted cheapest possible. Now there is a differentiation after 5 years, 10 years, what happens to the building if you build it cheap? And yeah, so now people want quality. So that's what is reflecting in your experience with the developers and with the construction companies also. Thank you. So Prakash bhai, this is one question which I get from a lot of developers and builders who come here and they want to build a building. They ask about the costs. So they say that the cement is the same, the iron is the same, all the materials are more or less imported, but it's not such a big cost.
No,
So what is the main element? Why the cost of construction in Dubai is so high?
See, in Dubai you can see the overhead charges are too much. Overheads you can count like, if you will say about the labors, if compare with India, it's Indian laborers, they are living by themselves, they are coming by themselves. Here we have to give them all facilities like labor camps, rooms, insurance we have to give them, picking, dropping, any accident happen, we have to pay them, government issues, visas, this and that. There's many expenses which we are bearing.
Correct.
Plus, in the construction with the contractor, there is a consultant is involved, the consultant cost is involved, government fees are involved. So that's why it's coming difference in the price.
Correct.
Plus, so you can say even the quality. With the India quality, you cannot compare Dubai quality.
So I mean there is more concrete, better quality concrete and better quality iron.
Even steel quantities are more.
Right.
But in India, they are using a quantity of steel in one slab. Dubai is using a double, maybe triple.
Okay. So what you're saying is that almost the cost of the concrete could be the same, but we are using better quality concrete. The cost of the steel could be the same, but we are using double the steel.
It's a requirement by
the government.
Not by us, by the government.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are using in that. That's why the cost is coming more.
I understand. Thank you.